Welcome. Today I would like to work with you on finding online assessments. Most of you already know how to access assessments in the paper form, but I want to show you how you can create and find assessments that you can do digitally. So you are going to go to your welcome page. And once you're in the welcome page, you want to go to the Help Center. You can go to the Help Center one by scrolling to the bottom, or you can click on your name and down will come a list of things, and at the bottom is your Help Center. So you'll click on the Help Center and it will then take you to that center. Once you're in the Help Center, you are going to want to go down to Resources, which will take you to about the center of the page, where you will find the resources and the tutorials that we're going to be using. So in this Resource Center, there are many resources, but today, like I said, we're going to be looking at the tutorial videos. So you'll click on that orange label, and it will take you to all the different tutorials that are available for you to learn from. Today we're going to go down and click on the assessment tutorials. And there is a whole list of things, but first let's take a look at accessing the assessments. So we're going to first go there and click on the Accessing Assessments, and we will watch this video.
This video will show you how to access the print versions of your StudySync assessments, as well as showing how to enter the online assessment center and take and administer the tests that are located there. When you enter and log into ConnectEd, after you've chosen your program, you'll find two panes, one to launch StudySync and one to launch the StudySync online assessment. Once StudySync is launched, you'll find a series of tabs at the top. If you go to Core ELA, ELD, and then choose a grade level, at the bottom will be additional resources. Included in these resources are the PDF documents of the assessments. If you click on an assessment, you will see the print version of that assessment. This includes the teacher introduction and the print version of the online tests. One thing to note in these tests is pieces like Tech Enhanced and Tech Enabled will not be showing up, as those capabilities cannot be translated into print. However, the items, the focus, and the alignment are the same in the print version as you will find in the online version. These can be printed out for students, and they can use this as a pencil and paper option in the classroom. To move into the online assessments, one clicks on the StudySync Online Assessment tab and chooses a class. Classes listed here are demos, but they will be filled by your class. Once you enter the Online Assessment Center, the default is the Assign Tests pane. This shows the tests that you have given out to your classes already. To find the publisher materials, you click on My Test Library, and in the My Test Library you will see tests that you yourself have created. To go to the tests from the publisher, you go to the My Test tab, and here you will find separate test banks that hold the StudySync tests. If we click on the ELA tests, you will see all of the ELA unit and end-of-year assessments for grades 6 through 12. And you can move through each of the pages to find the test that you would like, or you can filter by subject, which in this case is English Language Arts, and grade level, single grade level or multiple. also use the search function and put in a specific grade that you're looking for. Once the search function picks out the grade level, you can then open a test and see the items, the question types, the points, and the type of tagging that is being associated with the test.
So hopefully this will be something that you can use to do online assessments with your students. I also have a companion video that is accessible that is talking about copying, editing, and assigning tests, as well as sharing them with other teachers. So be looking for that video also, and hopefully this can streamline your instruction and take it where it needs to go for your students. Thank you.